Welcome to Pro News Flash. The crypto experienced a brutal sell-off. The question now is whether bold speculators will join the buying. Let's dive into the latest developments. The crypto market fell below the support for the last 3 months on Tuesday, going into a brutal sell-off mode. Institutional investor sentiment didn't help either, as U.S. stock indices also saw a sell-off. Sentiment stabilized on Wednesday, and we see an attempt to form a bottom, pushing off from the 2.87 trillion market cap, and now up to 2.93 trillion. The cryptocurrency index has pulled back to the extreme fear area at 21, its lowest value since August last year. Earlier, we pointed out that the market lacked the drop into the fear region to attract greedy speculators. But now, the question is whether those speculators have enough courage to buy. Bitcoin broke through support in the 92,000 area on Tuesday, near the 61.8% retracement level of the November-December rally. Since then, Bitcoin has given up half of its gains. The local target for the bears now looks like the area of the 200-day moving average at 82,000. But already Bitcoin is walking the edge of a bear market, losing about 20% from the peak. Further declines could open the floodgates for expanded liquidation of long positions in the crypto. As usual, saying, "I'll be greedy when everyone else is scared," is much easier when you don't have skin in the game. Ethereum and Solana have already rolled back to October-November levels, with huge technical potential for further capitulation. In the event of a further sell-off, Ethereum could fall another 35% to $1,600. Meanwhile, Solana faces a much steeper potential decline of over 80% from its current price. According to CoinShares, net outflows from crypto funds over the last week tops $500 million, with Bitcoin outflows above $571 million. Ethereum lost just $4 million. XRP got a new $38 million net. Bitcoin will fall to 70,000 if hedge funds liquidate positions in spot Bitcoin ETFs, ex-BitMEX chief Arthur Hayes said. He noted that the funds are focused on gaining the so-called basis spread. The strategy looks attractive if its profit exceeds the yield on short-term U.S. government bonds. Strategy last week bought and added 20,356 Bitcoin for almost $2 billion at an average price of $97,514. The company now holds more than 499,000 Bitcoin, worth more than $33 billion. OKX will pay more than $504 million in settlement of the U.S. Department of Justice claims. The exchange pleaded guilty to operating an unlicensed money transfer business in the U.S. Stay tuned to Pro News Flash for more updates on the crypto market. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.